Join us in this video when we head to Copeton Dam, just out of Inverell, New South Wales. We get our rooftop tinny off for the first time, discover a secret waterfall, have a splash, and of course enjoy the beautiful sunsets. Stick around to see our adventures.
Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel on 5 Aussie Adventures.
There it is!
Are we going to get the boat in the water?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Give it a sea trial?
As always, we go and check out the free spots first. So we headed into the eastern foreshore to see what it was like. Our first mistake was not knowing what day it was, and it turned out to be jam-packed with locals as it was a Saturday. We decided to call the northern foreshore to see if they had room there. Little did we know that it happened to be the local fishing competition weekend and they were pretty full. That explains it. But they said they could squeeze us in the unpowered section, so we decided to head over and check it out. The northern foreshore is a paid park, but for $15 a night for an unpowered site, we thought it was pretty reasonable considering all the things included. It has an awesome splash park and playground for the kids, and it's right on the water with a boat ramp for Jack. It also has good toilets and showers for those that need it, and a dump point. The caretaker was really good. He said, go find yourself a spot up the back that's suitable for your rig and you guys. No, these ones over here are tucked up.
See if the day.
Woo! A huge storm rolled in and we enjoyed watching the lightning and looking at all the animals coming out to enjoy the rain as well. And then we were graced with a beautiful sunset.
And we're off on our first sea trial on the new boat. We've had the boat for a little while, but this is our first run in the water. And we got about 100 metres offshore and the boat cut out. It's just faulty fuel line, but we got it sorted and off we went again.
Bailey driving.
Woohoo!
What do you think, Bailey? Good.
He's eating food. Multitasking, eating and driving. That was our first adventure in the boat, but stick around to see what we find tomorrow.
This is a little splash park. Pretty good little setup. Normal playground over the back there, the dry one. And we got the wet one. Kids are having a ball. Waiting for the bucket.
What a sunset. We've moved down to the water. Everyone from the fishing comp has gone. So we've come down here. Beautiful, beautiful spot, and look at that. The little tinny. Another beautiful day with no one around, so we jumped back into the boat to go for another cruise. Little did we know what we were about to find. We've come over to the little island. It's just off of the shore in our little boat. This time we headed left. We decided to explore all the little creeks that were coming out from the mountaintops. We headed to the end of one of them and couldn't believe our eyes. There was a waterfall, so we knew we had to park up and check it out. Definitely weren't expecting that, so note to self, next time we're in the boat, just wear your swimmers under your clothes, just in case you come across a secret waterfall. Have you been getting bites, Evie?
Look, just at the first.
What about you, Blakey? Getting any bites over there? No. Oh, I just got one then. Wind it in a little bit, though, when you get bites. Yep, wind it in.
It's a Tough life. Lucky little fella can sleep anywhere.
Copeton Northern Foreshore Splash Park. Woohoo! And a playground. And that's where we're camping down there. Woohoo! Another beautiful sunset for our final night at Copeton Dam. Spot Lake Copeton was at the Northern Foreshore campground. Got the boat off, found a secret waterfall, didn't catch any fish, but we had lots of fun, didn't we, Layla? So if you enjoyed our video, please give it the thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. See you next time.